Hey everyone, and welcome to this new video. If you're choosing between Notion and Airtable, you're comparing two of the most flexible productivity tools out there. One shines as an all-in-one workspace for notes and docs, and the other as a visual database for structured data. Let's quickly break down which one fits your workflow best. And I will divide this video into certain areas, and we're going to start off with a platform overview, and after we'll talk about pricing and costs and more. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video, starting with a platform overview of Notion. Well, Notion is launched in 2016 and it is a powerful workspace that combines docs, wikis, project management, and databases in one interface. It's perfect for teams and individuals who want to organize everything, tasks, knowledge, and ideas inside pages and linked databases. Airtable is launched in 2012, acts more like a supercharged spreadsheet that makes it easy to manage projects, content, or CRM data through grid, calendar, Kanban, or form views. Let's talk about the pricing and the costs. Well, Notion has a strong free plan with unlimited pages and blogs for individuals, and paid plans are starting at $8 per user per month for teams needing advanced permissions and larger file uploads. Airtable also starts with a free plan, but to unlock higher record limits, more automations, and sync tables, you will need to upgrade to a $20 per user per month plan. And what about features and tools? Well, Notion offers linked databases, flexible page nesting, rich media embeds, and strong collaboration tools. It's ideal for teams that want a customizable knowledge base or project tracker with note-taking built in. And Airtable is better at handling structured, relational data and offers strong API access, automations, and pre-built views for organizing records and workflows visually. And let's make a final verdict between the two. And I would say choose Notion if you're looking for a flexible workspace that combines writing, planning, and lightweight databases, and choose Airtable if your priority is structured data, visual project views, and collaboration on records. And let me know in the comments down below which one fits your workflow better. Is it Airbase or is it Notion? Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.